Hi there, I'm Sharon Lee Toney, a digital marketer with over 15 years of experience in marketing some of the biggest and most loved brands in beauty, travel, and lifestyle. In my career, I've helped to create and manage campaigns for brands such as Dove, Olay, Vaseline, Como Hotels and Resorts, and even the Girl Scouts, where I love to eat Thin Mints. I also teach digital marketing classes and workshops at General Assembly. I often consult with startups and small businesses on their social media advertising campaigns. Instagram is the fastest growing social media platform and a must-have tool for any digital marketer. Instagram works best for the beauty, lifestyle, and travel sectors. I've been able to leverage the best practices that I've learned from big corporate brands to apply them to smaller, more niche brands with limited budgets. I'm here to share that knowledge with you as well. This course is for anyone who wants to learn how to enhance their knowledge of Instagram's marketing tools to expand their digital marketing skill set. I'm offering this course on Fiverr because I believe in their mission to change the way the world works together and empower folks like yourself who are looking to learn more and provide great value to your clients. By taking this course, you'll gain the knowledge of how to create inspiring and engaging Instagram campaigns that will drive real business results for your clients. You'll be smarter about tagging and tracking campaigns, including how to set up and use the Facebook pixel. You'll also learn to define the best custom and lookalike target audiences for your clients' objectives, create inspiring ad content, as well as take away a few best practices on reporting and optimization in Google Analytics. I hope that you decide to join me for Fiverr's very first Instagram ads course, and that this is the first of many times that we will be getting to know each other.